Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to remove marketplace shortcuts from Facebook. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, go to the Facebook application. Here at the top right corner, tap on these three horizontal lines. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Here, scroll down to the Notifications. Again, scroll down and here tap on marketplace. So here disable this option, turn it off, and that's all. Here we are done. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.